Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got another fun and super simple Glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a pair of Glam crystal Christmas candle holders. And so what you're going to need is a pack of these crystal beaded strands, and you can pick these up at Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event supplies, party supplies, event decor, lighting, and so much more. They have provided me with a custom coupon code, a cozy casita, all one word, just like the channel name. And you can use that coupon code to save yourself 15% on your orders with Efavormart. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom coupon code and custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now what you're going to need from Dollar Tree is you're going to need 2 of these taper candle holders. You'll need 2 of these glass candle holders. You're going to need some snowflakes. I've got silver here, and I also have some white snowflakes. Not sure which ones I'm going to be using, but we'll see as we go along. And you're going to need some of these peel and stick gemstones. I picked these up at Walmart. However, you can find these on a half sheet size at Dollar Tree. I've got some loose diamond gemstones, like this, and you can pick these up at Walmart. I may or may not be using these, but we'll see. I'm going to be using hot glue on my project, and keep in mind if you want any components to be permanent, you want to use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to get these candle holders completed, so let's get started. Okay, well there you have it, guys. Didn't these candle holders turn out absolutely beautifully? And they were so easy to make. And they were really versatile. If you want to, you can use them year-round. Just pop the snowflake off after the holiday season, and you can use these year-round. Now let's go ahead and start playing around and decorating with them. Okay, guys, well there you have it. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.